Welcome to Maths Global Learning Hub at Mr. T, your ultimate guide for mastering financial mathematics.
A loan of 100,000 Rand is repaid over a period of 5 years by means of equal monthly repayments at an interest rate of 5.8% per annum, compounded monthly. If payments start 4 months after the loan is granted, calculate the monthly repayment. If we look at this question here, we are going to see that this loan repayment was delayed by 3 months. And during those 3 months, this loan was increasing. So we need to calculate the new loan amount. I'll begin here by writing down the formula. And then I'm going to do my substitutions. Compounded monthly, and it was delayed by 3 months. And my new loan amount is going to be and then I move on to step number 2, where I now need to calculate the amount of money that will be paid every month. I'm going to use the present value formula. And when I substitute here, my new loan amount that I got in step 1 is I'm looking for X. Remember, this is compounded monthly. For the value of N here, if I read this question, I can assume that this loan was supposed to be paid over a period of 5 years. So 3 months were delayed, so it means the new time frame will be 57 months. And then I divide by the interest rate, which is compounded monthly. I want to point out again here, on this part here, this is an assumption that we've made. Now I need to find my X value, so I have to isolate X. I'm going to write here X is equal to divided by I can put this in a bracket, and then the interest rate, I'm going to write it in the denominator there. Okay, put this part here again in the bracket, and then if I put this in the calculator, My final answer is going to be and this answer is rounded off to 2 decimal places.
That wraps up our lesson for today on financial mathematics. Thank you so much for your time.